Hello friends, today we are going to understand the concept about calculation of salary in Excel sheet. Today we are going to solve how to calculate DA, HRA, PF, gross salary and net salary as per the given particular question. We have to type the DA with the formula given in the question and drag it down. Same goes with the HRA. We have to type the formula, enter and drag it down and to get the perfect output. Same goes with the PF. We have to enter the formula, that is 12% of the basic salary, enter and drag it down to get all the output. In gross salary, we have to type the formula, enter and it's the output. Gross salary, basic salary, DA plus HR. In net salary, we have to type the formula, enter and drag it down. Hope you understand how to calculate the salary in Excel sheet. Thank you so much.